Hey, I'm Chini. And welcome to Chini's World.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how I made this INUYASHA Kagome plastic painting. So first you're going to need this plastic frame. I recommend this plastic frame because the acrylic paint sticks to it better as opposed as a glass one. So first pick out whichever anime or cartoon you would like to paint and then make it as big as possible. That way you can trace it on top of the paper. And to make things easier, I recommend you using any tape so the paper doesn't slide around when you're tracing it. Since the picture I chose cut out Inuyasha's ear, I referenced another one and just drew his ear as best as possible as I could. So this frame has a little thing in the back where it lets you put in the picture. So what I did is I cut it off, and it's easy to rip off, and then trace in the back. So once you have your outline, start with the highlights, and what I mean is the little dark places that the character has, just like I'm doing here. Keep in mind that you're working backwards, if that makes sense. So you have to do all the details before you do the actual main color. Just like I'm doing here with Inuyasha's hair, I'm doing the darker portions and then I'm going to go over it with the main color, which is like a light white. Once you have everything done, go over it with the main color and then try to make it as opaque as possible. That way if that light hit it, it doesn't have little streaks. And this is how it turned out. Originally I was going to throw this away, but then I came up with this little idea where I put a quote. So what I did is I put glue on there and then I added some glitter and then I let that dry and then I went over it with a red acrylic paint. That way it looked opaque and not see-through. Once that was dry, I went on the other side and wrote with a white Sharpie the quote that I wanted. I chose a quote that said, "You're ruining your mental health for someone that's out there living their best life. Focus on you." Then I decided to add a little patch that I had that was red, and then I added some gems to hide the string when I glued it in the back. And that's how I made a little plastic that I was going to throw away into an inspirational quote sign. For this DIY, I wanted to recreate this picture. All was going well, but then I just didn't like it. It wasn't my style. I just kept looking at it and I wasn't really satisfied with it, so I decided to go another route. As I did before, I'm just doing the little brush strokes and glitter method. Oh my god, I didn't record. This is all I'm doing. Just swiping. Then on the other side, I added a ribbon and added extra tape for security. On the other side, I did write lost sock. Then I noticed the lettering was too small, so I went back and made it bigger, and this is the final result. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think. Bye!